Hey friends, so my Tuesday morning got so much paper. Like loose paper, paper pads. What else was super interesting? They had these like mandala kind of art kits as well as lots of dies for card makers. Could not believe it. All right, so these Bella Boulevard goodies were there last time. They may have gotten some like replenished stock, but these were all there. So those are like multiples of the same stickers. And you saw that project pad I thought was cool. That's a photorealistic Halloween pad, not a big deal there. Now, in the back of my store, we have two of these, they're not end caps, but two sections with all kinds of paper pads. I think that's authentic. It is. That was there before too, but I always like to flip through really quick to see if there's something good. That paper pad was new. What was it called? Lucky Us, I think, which was like a St. Patty's and Valentine's paper pad all at once. It was really cute. I actually have some of that downstairs from a Kid Club still that I haven't used. Not at all. Just haven't been able to get to it. So it looks like that's a repeat of that We Are Memory Keepers collection pack. We do tend to get repeats in. Really nice craft project life pattern papers. I mean, love the Freebird collection. I said that last week. I absolutely loved working with that collection. Now we got lots and lots of these packs of like the 25 papers each, which is great if you teach classes or if you just get a black and white stripe or something like that that you can really use a lot, but I really don't want 25 of any other sheet of paper unless it's black and white. Just don't want it. So that's Lazy Scrapbooker's pad. That was there last time as well. And my Tuesday morning also is doing it where they're mixing in a lot of the clearance goodies in with the main scrapbooking section. That, no pun intended, by Photoplay, I kept picking it up and putting it down to bring it home with me. But in the end, I didn't buy a single thing again. My restraint has been great the last couple weeks. See, you see right there, I picked it up because I really liked it. But unfortunately, my kids are at a point that I get like business pictures from them and stuff like that. I don't get as much of like, the cutesy, whimsical stuff at this point. More of the 25 packs of paper pads, making sure that you get to see everything that I saw there. And I mean, it's impressive. Oh, look at how beautiful those Simple Stories papers are. Very, very nice. Some of it's just super pretty. Now, that wood grain one with the floral stuff, I did have that before in a collection pack. Now, these are these super awesome dies that I told you about. So you use, like, I think two different dies, you put them together and it becomes a moving element on your cards. And look at how many we got in. I was so impressed, and for $5 to get something like that, it was really cool. Like if I were a big card maker, I think I would have gotten one of every single one of them because I was that impressed with them. So, quick flip through, and there's a couple different sizes of them. Now, embellishment wise, we haven't gotten anything in for embellishments or alphas or anything like that. Not stickers, not jewels, any of that stuff. So I was looking around to see if there's anything new, and it is sparse in that section. Now look at that, $7.99 for two bins. Now I actually would have picked them up, but I only use clear, and it's on purpose. I just like them to be the same. Now these mandala kits were super cool. It says they have everything included to do these art projects for like 7 days of art projects or something like that. And so there's adult, mama, teen. Oh, you see the vacation ones? And I kept picking them up for a gift for somebody. But in the end, I didn't. I'm not ready to start buying Christmas gifts. I'm just not. I don't want to. So that was it for my shop with me. I hope you liked what I showed you. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.